Okay, it's early yet here at Webster, and we're just walking in. A little Southern barbecue. Some of the stuff is really good.
Don't say that. I mean, because you need to remember something.
I got some things
In the front door, where you sit.
Yeah, and over there is the brick bathhouse, so to speak. I better get my water while I can.
I wouldn't have told you that.
They didn't tell me.
I do it every now and then. I get it sometimes we don't drink.
Water?
I mean, we still paid for it.
Yeah, you're going viral, you know. Yeah.
Back it up.
Those guys with them FXRs, you know what? Gosh. You know, I ought to get me a bike like this someday, you know what? Couple of them. A bait. Hey, can I get a free pen?
Sure. Anything on here is free.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Probably not.
Dang.
Well, that's what we were.
Yeah, you accident probably.
I'll throw one in there.
I think I started a trend.
That's all free over there.
All right. Well, we got my water. Oh, it's Zephyrillus water. All right, what are we looking for? I'm looking for a fuel gauge, maybe, a board setup, maybe, and saddlebags, maybe. You ought to really get out and ride more, Rod. You know what? That sounds like my Yamaha 650. All right, I think I'll go more toward the end and work my way back. The sun just popped out of them clouds and it is now already hot. And I'm not kidding. That's all it took. You want some gator? Oh, I remember this. This is one of them super cycle motors. Oh, the old Super V, yeah. That's what we need, the Super Vs.
What you doing, though?
All right, I'm going to shut this off for a minute and do some shopping.